The wait is over. The 10-day Ganesh festival has kick-started in Mumbai and other parts of the country as well. As the city braces for the festival, there are huge crowds expected on the streets. Many pandals have been set up and the celebrations, as you can see through these visuals, are already in full swing. As you know, Ganesh Chaturthi is underway. It's a major Hindu festival that is celebrated across India with great fervor. Let's just quickly go across to our correspondent, Juhi Jadhav, who's been tracking the latest in Mumbai for us. Juhi, as we can see, the celebrations are already underway. Mumbai's biggest festival is underway. Huge crowds are expected on the streets.
Yes, absolutely right. The biggest festival of Mumbai, that is the Ganesh Chaturthi, has begun from today, and right now I am standing as Mumbai's one of the most respected Ganpati, that is Ganesh Galli, Ganesh Galli's Pandal. As you can see right behind me, the idol of Ganpati is sitting, and this year Rameshwaram is the setup that has been put forth by this Pandal, and the Ganpati itself has been given the decor of Lord Ram. I have been joined by the Mandal secretary over here, Swapnil Parab. We'll just have a short conversation with him, and we'll get to know from him that what are the facilities that they have made for the people. Swapnil ji, welcome to NDTV. What are the facilities that you have made available for the people, because lakhs of people per day visit to your Pandal?
देखिए, बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे डिवोटीज़ यहाँ गणेश जी के दर्शन के लिए आते हैं, मुंबई के राजा के दर्शन के लिए आती है, तो उनके लिए अलग अलग क्यूज़ हमने रखी है, और वो अलग अलग क्यू से ये दर्शन बहुत ही सुलभता से हो रहा है। एक गैलरी क्यू भी हमने इस साल इंट्रोड्यूस की हुई है, और सीसीटीवी कैमरेज है। हमारे कार्यकर्ता वॉलंटियर्स भी जगह जगह पे तैनात है, और बहुत ही खूबसूरती से यहाँ दर्शन की व्यवस्था हमने की है।
What is the new thing about the decoration in this year? Because Ganesh Galli comes out with new decoration every year, so people are very excited, curious to know that what this year Ganesh Galli will come up with.
ये क्यूरियोसिटी है लोगों की। ये काफ़ी सालों से यहाँ है, क्योंकि हर साल अलग अलग रिप्लिकाएँ हम यहाँ दिखाते हैं। तो इस बार हमने रामेश्वरम मंदिर की रिप्लिका यहाँ दिखाई है। बहुत ही खूबसूरत ऐसा ये मंदिर है, बहुत ही डेकोरेटिव ऐसा ये मंदिर है, तो लोगों को ये गणेश उत्सव में उसकी प्रचिति हो जाए, इसलिए ये किया हुआ एक सहयोग है।
Absolutely, if we see the arrangements that this Pandal has made for the devotees is really very good, because lakhs of people visit this Pandal every day, and not only the members of this Pandal are ready, but also the police are ready, because thousands of police have been deployed during this 10 days Ganesh festival. And in Lal Bagh, if you go to see, there are many big Ganpatis which people visit every day to see day and the night time. So even thousands of police every day, 24 hours, are being set over here. So yes, the 10 days, Lal Bagh, not only Lal Bagh, entire Maharashtra is welcoming the Bappa and is all ready and set to, encourage and to celebrate this Ganesh festival, which is the biggest festival of Mumbai and especially Maharashtra.
How delightful, Juhi. Thanks so much for joining us with that update from Mumbai this morning.